Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's Albert coming to you again from TakeMyLeaseOver.ca. I just wanted to share something with you today. I've been in the car business for 24 years. I always believe that you should maintain your vehicles at the dealership. During that warranty period of your vehicle, it's very important to do everything that is necessary to it. Taking shortcuts is not worth it, okay? But I also believe that you have a right as a consumer to find out what that cost is going to be, completely detailed, from whether it's a dealership or a secondary source that you're going to use. Today I had a terrible experience with one of the dealerships in downtown Toronto, in particular the Audi dealership downtown. Basically, I called in to get some quotes on parts for my particular vehicle. I got to do the brakes on it, and it's just a matter of keeping people honest. Okay, the vehicle has 100,000 kilometers, and I'm planning on doing the front brakes on it. And I wanted to get the quotes on it and also find the details of the actual brake rotors. And the reason for that is because there is 3 sizes available for the A4 in 2016. Well, the answer that I got from the counter person was that he would not give me the size because that gave him a competitive advantage. Well, that didn't work out too well for him, let's just say. But I am going to tell you that as a consumer, you have a right to know everything about your vehicle. No one can prevent you from knowing everything about your vehicle. They're supposed to provide that information. You spent $30, $40, $50, $100,000. It doesn't matter what you spent on that vehicle. You have the right to know what parts are on that car, so you can educate yourself and go and get a quote somewhere else and keep people honest as to what the cost of the work is going to be. Anyways, I hope this tip helps you in the future when you do have an incident like I did. Don't put up with BS from anyone. Get the information that you need. Get it in writing. And that way you can make an educated decision as to whether it's worth saving the $40 or $50 to go with a secondary source or just go to the dealership and maintain. Once again, I emphasize that I believe in maintaining your vehicle at the dealerships. But there is a way to do it, and there's also the right way to actually handle a customer without being rude. I look forward to hearing from your comments. Again, it's Albert from TakeMyLeaseOver.ca. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Take care. Bye.